received today 12-in-1, this amazing anti-aging and beautiful skincare products from Gin Amber Beauty that makes your skin glowy. You look 5 years younger immediately after you use that, and you feel so great. Your acne is disappearing, your acne scars are vanishing. Do you want to know how to use those 12 products right now? Come, take a cup of tea, take whatever you drink, maybe wine. Come with me. I'm gonna show you how I actually do entire full skincare routine using those 12 products I got in this package. 2 eye masks, 3 superfood sheet moisturizing vitamin sheet masks for you. This is so good after microneedling. I love these masks so much. Oh my god. Okay, calm down, Jill. I got BHA exfoliating cleanser. It's natural, guys. This is the only one natural BHA cleanser, I promise to you. Then I got amazing vitamin C repair cream. This was my favorite one. And then I have vitamin C booster. This one is really good. Makes your skin glow. All right, and then I have 0.75 and then 0.5 dermaroller and 0.25 dermaroller. I want to show you guys, like, for real, how to use this bundle. If you're like, okay, Jen, I ordered these products, this is a great deal, I save over 120 bucks. Duh, I want to know how to use them, because I'm like you. I want to have a nice and glowy and really hydrated skin. Wait, I think I forgot.
1 hour later.
Right here. Oh, I already took it out before unboxing. Sorry. But there is a rose water spray. So first product you want to use in this bundle, of course, it's cleanser. But here is a trick how I use this cleanser. If you want really maximize, you don't have to do this. You don't have to like waste product. I spray a little bit of rose water. A little bit. Soak it in. Even spray on my hair. I really love this smell. And on the hair, smells so good, especially if you just wash your hair like I just did it. That's why I'm fluffy and look nice. So I spray on my face. I take this cleanser, I apply it a little bit, like probably no more than this. This is gonna last forever. And very gently exfoliate. You don't have to rub until your face peels off or you get super red. Very gentle. People don't really know how to use cleansers. This is like super gentle exfoliating cleanser. It's natural, it's not strong, but it does its job. Stronger or longer or bigger doesn't mean better. You girls know that bigger is not always better, right? Bigger is not always better, right? Maybe let's skip a neck this time. If you want a neck, girl, you do your neck, it's fine. Very gently, I'm rubbing everywhere, especially on the nose where those black heads and pimples sometimes show up, and on the 11 lines over here. I'm on my period. Today is the first day, so it's not the best day to show you the routine, but you know what? I'm a real person. I'm gonna show you how my real skin looks like when I'm on my period. Usually when I'm on my period, my skin is not looking the best. I'm going to wash off my face right now, okay? Hold on.
A few moments later.
So I disinfected my face. Of course, I washed my face. I disinfected my face with the foam therapy. I disinfected my dermaroller. That video I'm gonna post down below. I'm gonna post somewhere here in the corner. You can go and check out. Let's move to what I'm doing next. Actually, I just love rose water spray so much that I spray on the top, in the air, on my head, on my hair, and actually like a perfume everywhere. Just like I'm so in love with rose water spray. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm going to actually this one, eye masks. By the way, stick till the end. I'm gonna give you something. I'm going to the eye masks. I love eye masks so much. These amazing eye masks, and we're gonna be actually launching very soon. 11 forehead masks, microneedle masks for these lines. Sometimes I have private coaching on skincare, on healing gut for the skin issues, for the skin reasons. I do have a few clients that I have calls with, and she has very deep 11 lines. She did Botox, she did lasers, Morpheus microneedling kind of deep laser. I don't even know what is that. She has done everything, nothing helps. So I'm coaching her right now what to do, and I told her to wear these actually under eye masks over here, but even though we're launching very soon, probably in a month or so. Anyway, so I apply eye masks. I'm taking 0.25 dermaroller, and you will not believe what I'm gonna use this dermaroller for. So I'm gonna use absolutely everything today, guys, as I told you. So you wanna apply this, then take this, and you can apply vitamin C booster before or after. It's up to you. I'm gonna apply after, but what I'm doing with this, basically I'm gonna use all 3 dermarollers. I'm taking 0.25. As I tell you all the time, you don't need more than a minute or 2 on your lips, and you want to start with 0.25. You don't want to go to the deeper size on the lips, because lips are very thin. You do not want to use anything bigger than 0.25. Did you hear that? Always lift. Is it bigger? Woo! I feel it. So, okay, next dermaroller that I'm taking, it is 0.5, and I'm gonna use on the rest of my face. So, wow, this one I definitely feel it, but it's so good. It's okay, I can do this for the beauty. If you don't like the tingling sensation of the dermaroller, you can take numbing cream. I'm gonna list down below my favorite numbing cream. It's a Banel 520. I am planning to launch my own. Sunscreen is considered a drug, so I will need again FDA involved, and FDA is a pain in the ass if you wanna launch drugs. So I'm going to the cheeks. On the cheeks, actually what I'm gonna do, you always want to lift if you want to have really amazing benefits and get the most out of dermaroller. You always want to lift. I kind of can make a song, dermaroller.
Up, lift, side, lift, up, lift.
These lines bother me so much. I really don't want that. So you always really, for real, now let's be real. You wanna out, lift, out, lift, out, lift. One cheek, 1 minute. If you're a beginner, another cheek, 1 minute. Your forehead, 1 minute, and no more for the first time. You don't wanna go crazy. People dermaroll half an hour and then they come to me and say, Jen,
I don't have results. What's going on? Well,
honey, when you're gonna go to the gym for the first time, you're gonna take 50 pounds, you might not be able to lift, but probably next day a muscle gonna be very inflamed and very sore, and you instead of being stronger, you're gonna be weaker. You're not gonna be able to walk. So the same is with the skin. Dermaroller for half an hour, we're gonna destroy your skin. Same like using fake dermaroller, a little bit on the nose. Those blackheads gonna shrink, pores gonna shrink. So let's say I'm done with 0.5, I'm going 75, the gigantic big. Ooh, did you see? I'm good at this. So 75, I have these lines that have been bothering me for years, and maybe I should do something more serious, some laser or whatever. But you know guys, I'm real. I don't have any shit in my face. I don't have any lasers or mini lift done so far. I'll tell you once I'm ready for that, but so far I'm okay. I'm gonna really strongly dermaroll here, but never drag and never do like this. Always lift and lift. Basically, you don't wanna go down. You wanna go to the side and mainly like lifting to the side. And another reason why you don't want to over dermaroll like more than half an hour, it makes your skin really dry. It's damaging skin, right? Let's be real. This is a skin damage that we're doing that's later on gonna be nice because your skin cells starts to rejuvenate and produce collagen. This is also called collagen induction therapy. But in that moment when we have this damage, our skin evaporates the moisture, and that's why we have a dry skin. That's why we need to extremely be careful. Do not overuse dermaroller. Don't do too often, that I recommend. Especially if you have sensitive skin, don't use 0.75 more often than once a month, and 0.5 more often than like 10 days to 2 weeks. If you're not sensitive skin, that's fine, once a week. So I'm done with needling. What I'm doing right now, again, rose water spray, of course. I love that. All right, and I'm jumping to vitamin C booster. This is incredible. It's a liquid, so be careful when you splash it. You can splash a little bit, apply a little bit gently everywhere. It is great and safe to be used after dermaroller. Some people say don't use vitamin C. This does not have L-ascorbic acid. This has only sodium ascorbyl phosphate. It's much more gentle, much more bioavailable form. It's gonna penetrate deeper in between your skin cells, where usually like thick moisturizers can't go that deep. They only sit on the surface. That's why also another tip, don't invest money, a lot of money in like hydrating moisturizers, because they only sit on the top of the skin and they don't feed the skin. I am applying actually vitamin C cream. I usually have 2 pumps. This is vitamin C plus squalane cream. That is going to hydrate you. It's not too expensive. It's actually repairing. This one is great to use after dermaroller because it's going to repair, because we created a little bit of damage. I can actually show you a few of my clients before and after picture of using dermaroller, that they have incredible results. Very gentle. And at the end, of course, whatever is left is on the neck. I already showered today. I will never apply moisturizer on the dirty neck, just saying. I'm going to this sheet mask. It is Soothing Smoothing Superfood Sheet Mask. I am taking off. This is cotton inside, not some silicone, which is not good for our environment. Cotton have a high vibration, so it's not only better for the planet, but it's also good for the skin to heal. And you're gonna be applying that on the face. It's actually healing, so apply that and you go to bed, and actually sleep with this mask, and next day you wake up 5 years younger, or just feel better because you had amazing, incredible night routine. You pamper yourself, you love yourself, your man loves you, or girlfriend, I don't know what you have and what you believe, what kind of orientation you are. That's not my problem. I love all kind of people. So, and then I apply my moisturizer that we're gonna be launching very soon. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Let me know what's your favorite Gin Amber beauty product. So I say at the end, I'm gonna give you something. 1 subscriber, you have to be subscribed to this channel. You're gonna get this bundle. I need you to do a few things, and what you need to do is gonna be down below in the description box. You can win this, basically giveaway for those of you who watch this video until the end. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.